Have you ever noticed how a video without any film transitions can feel boring or too simple? But when you add professional film transition effects, the video stands out and looks much more engaging and polished. Welcome. In today's video, we will explore 20 exciting film transitions with sound effects that you can use to make your videos more dynamic and professional. Whether you are editing on a computer or on your mobile device, this film transition is designed to be compatible with almost any video editing software. In this video, I have shown how computer users can edit with this transition, as well as how mobile users can do the same. Now, let's take a look at some video examples. Now, I will demonstrate this in Adobe Premiere Pro. You can use your preferred editing software. I will start by bringing the footage I want to apply the transition to onto the timeline. Then, I will drag and drop the film transition onto the video clip and adjust it accordingly. Next, we'll go to the Effect Controls panel, click on the Opacity Blend Mode option and select Screen. And now you are done. It's that simple. This time I will showcase the film transition in this tutorial video specifically for mobile users. I will highlight mobile editing techniques in detail. In this tutorial video, I will demonstrate using the InShot video editing app. You can use your preferred app. Start by selecting the video option from Create New and clicking New, then import your video footage. Next, click on Canvas. Set the canvas size to a 16:9 ratio and click on the right. Then click the plus icon to import the video footage again and use the film transition at the point where the two clips merge. For this, go to the edit panel, click on PIP, import the film transition and adjust it properly. Finally, scroll through the edit panel, select Screen from the blend option and you are done. Hope you find these transitions useful for your video editing. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Click here to watch more videos on our channel. Thank you.